Hi, in this video we're going to be doing some Christmas cards, and for time purposes I already taped this one up, but this is a pre-made card, and you know, you just buy it like that. And what I did is I took some frog tape and I put it all around here to make a frame, and I'm just showing you what it looks like. So what we're going to do is, I have some Artist Loft paints that are already pre-mixed, and I figured we'd take a few of these colors, throw them together. I already, I got this from the Left Brain artist. I saw him do this the other day, and I thought it was pretty cool. So this is Artist Loft paints that I already had here, and I said, why not use these paints up? I've had them here quite a while, and I said, well, let's use them. And so I got some blue down there, I have red, I'm going to use a little gold in here, and we could throw some silver in too. And how about a little pearl white? So what I'm going to be doing here is just laying this down. Maybe not too much white. I might have overdid the white there, but we'll see what happens. So as I was showing you, I left this one open, and you just turn it over because you don't want any of that paint to go onto the inside of your card. So I'm going, I don't know if I have enough paint in here. Let me throw a little of this in there too. This turquoise color might be pretty. Throw some of that around the edge. I just hope I don't get any mud when I do this. So I'm just going to put this down and smush it together. And I think we're going to get something pretty here. Let's just lift it up. Yeah, I think that's going to be something really nice when it dries. Could look like a little angel wing or something, a little feather. So I am going to take this and put it aside to let it dry, and we'll get the results on this tomorrow. Yeah, this should be quite pretty, and then I'm going to start on my next one. Okay, so I'm just going to show you, this is all dried now, and I already took off the tape on this one, and look how beautiful that looks. Actually looks like some angel wings, if you ask me. So that's on that one, and I just want to show you how you would take the tape off very, very carefully. I'm working this one, and as you can see, I'm just pulling it down very slowly. Slow, 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 slow. And I'm going to come across here, and I'm going to pull this down very slow. You want to go as close as you can to the edge. Okay, got rid of that one. I already took that one off. Now let's get this edge here. Very slow. And this is coming out perfect too. Yes, and there we go. So beautiful. So you can either If you have a stamp, you could stamp Merry Christmas inside, or you could just write your own sentiment. And I always like to put a little something in the back. I have a stamp that has my name on it. And I'm gonna stamp that right now. And mine says, handmade with love, just for you, by Donna. And that's what mine is gonna say. And I thought I would show you what I did with my other cards that I did earlier. I embossed these. I'm going to show that to you. Okay. And these are all little pieces of art. And they're going to be sent out to friends and family. This one I actually did in copper. I mean, it's the same thing, it's just tone on tone. And I thought that was pretty. And what I'm going to do with this is attach it here with a little tape. And on the inside, I'm going to put Happy New Year. And in the back, I will also put my handmade stamp. So that's my little card expo for today. Again, that was inspired by the Left Brain artist. I will put at the end of this, I have a quick video. I'm gonna speed it up like 100 times if I can. With the ones with watercolor paper that I did. They were very long videos, but I'll speed it up. And if I have a chance, I'll put those cards at the end of this video also. Have a great day, everyone. Be happy. Make yourself some Christmas cards, or make birthday cards. They don't have to be Christmas cards. They could just be any day cards. But have a great day. Thank you for listening to me and enjoying my channel. I enjoy all of you very much. I enjoy when you say little things on my page. So, and go visit my Etsy shop. If you go to the front page of my, where you subscribe, there's a link to the Etsy shop, and also maybe down below you'll find the link. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Bye-bye.